What if I tell you that the main Italian neighborhood in New York City, it's not the Little Italy? Welcome to Arthur Avenue in the Bronx. Let's go. Be prepared because this video will have lots of good foods. One of the characteristics of the Italian culture is eating and eating good stuff. So we're gonna start here at this bakery, Madonna. Let's see what they have. I'm gonna have a pane di casa, the large? The large one. Yes, please.
I'm very excited to start.
And then I want some butter cookies too. This bakery is more than 100 years old. They are here since 1918. And I love bread. We got like pan di casa, that is like homemade bread. I got this beautiful garlic flour and I'm ready to try it. It's so soft and very garlicky too. And I got these assorted butter cookies. And the one that caught my attention is these with chocolate because I had this when I was a kid. So let me try if it's good. I can't wait to have this with coffee. It'll be perfect.
Next, we stopped by the Arthur Avenue Retail Market, one of the most famous spots in the Bronx for Italian food. Open since 1940, the market brings together a variety of vendors selling fresh produce, meats, cheeses, pastries, and other Italian specialties all under one roof. One thing that stood out right away was how busy it was. Even on a Wednesday afternoon, the place was packed. As we walked around, we checked out the different shops, looked at some of the fresh ingredients on display, and got a better sense of why this market has remained popular for so many years. Unlike some of the more touristy areas in the city, this feels still like a place people actually use in their day-to-day lives. While exploring, we came across the prosciutto sushi that became popular on TikTok. We decided to give it a try and see if it was actually worth the hype. Honestly, it was really good. The prosciutto added a salt-rich flavor, and while it was more expensive than regular sushi, I'll definitely buy it again. To go along with it, we grabbed a local beer.
Arthur Avenue Retail Market was such an experience, and we sat there to have a beer at the Bronx Beer Hall, and the guy said to us that anything that we wanted to carry around here in the neighborhood, we could. He has drinks to go. That's something very new to New York, and I kind of enjoyed this deal. This is one of the most famous places here at Arthur Avenue because they have this amazing salami chandelier, and they sell a lot of different pork meats and salamis and sausages, and I'm so excited to try everything. So good. You know I'm very honest with you, right? Not gonna lie, this place with pork meat, they smell terrible. It smells like feet, I don't know. I mean, I guess it's like meat, you know, but I just don't love it. I was just imagining like, oh my gosh, this guy's working here the entire day. On the other hand, this market here smells incredible. It's like a coffee place. The smells of coffee is like, yes, I want to stay here. It's a very, very high tradition in Brazil. The chocolate eggs, what is not very common here in the US, but I also know it's very common in Italy. This one here is 6 kilograms of chocolate, and it still says that it comes with a surprise. I'm just wondering what is the surprise. It's a new dog? It's a Ferrari? What is it? One thing we have been noticing here is how cheap the things are. Like the bread, the cheese, the olive oil, they are just like so cheap compared to the rest of the city. I don't know if it's a Bronx thing because I don't really come to the Bronx often, or if it's like an Italian thing. But I'm feeling like in Italy now. So this very tiny store, it's very well known because they do fresh mozzarella every single day in-house. So that's very cool. It's very tiny, it's very busy. It's so cool, it looks nice. They were so nice with us. We got some fresh mozzarella to go, but they were also making on time and they gave us the one that they were just making. So it's very fresh. That's incredible. This is the cheese paradise, everyone. Check it out. We just got some fresh pasta from Nonna. You choose the type of cut you want and you choose how many pounds you want, and they just give you very fresh pasta. We also got some tomato sauce and some cheese. So we have our dinner for tonight. Can you believe this pastry shop is here since 1912? It's so many years and they keep the same recipe, okay? And the highlight is that apparently they have one of the best cannolis people ever tried. So I guess I gotta try two. Actually, two traditionals and two chocolate. Do you have a small tiramisu? One of the odds about this location here is the places are too small to sit down. I mean, they have restaurants you can sit down, but the place we visit, they are small to sit down. And today is a Wednesday afternoon and it's full everywhere. So on the weekend, it must be full. We got some traditional cannoli and a chocolate cannoli too. Let's see if this is the best cannoli. It's definitely different from what I've tried before. But I'm not a cannoli connoisseur, you know, so I don't know if I can say that's the best. I'm not the hugest fan of cannoli, but I'm a huge fan of tiramisu. And as any good Italian, I had to have a dessert after my lunch. This looks delish. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Nothing like finishing this video like an Italian finish their meal with a coffee. That's delicious. I enjoy it a lot and I hope you also enjoy our video together, our day here at the Bronx. Let me know in the comments where you want Amelia to go next. Subscribe to the channel and like the video because it helps me a lot. And I'll see you next week. Bye!